I am gonna start with this one. It looks very tasty. I'm very excited. Mmm. My god, that's good. Oh my god. Today I'm back with an epic challenge. I've got 10 Korean deep fried hot dogs. They're all different and I'm just going to be seeing how quickly I can eat them. This one's filled with cheese. It's very good. This one's half cheese, half sausage. Always cheese sauce. And the cream one, it's really good. But for dates. It's the Korean rice cake. Very nice. Very dense though. Oh my god. That was difficult to clean. Whew. That's long. This is a giant chicken wing. So big and gross. Ooh. This is big sausage. Compared to the other one. Woo! Oh my god. My goal was 10 minutes and I got it on 10 minutes, like on the dot. That's so cool. Oh my god, I'm so full right now. Wow, that was so tasty. Oh my god.